the gifts you have given. Let's go! Ito na, ito ang ano natin. Ano ba ito?
Okay, lulod pala ako.
Wait lang. Ganun lang to, ha? Madali lang to sa simula.
Okay po. Sige po, direct. Laban.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Alay ka sa nila.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free.
Sige, hatong mo, suppose.
Naku, pero para sa Yamashita, meron talagang special doon. Okay, let's go!
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument?
Lampas na ako isang oras. My God! Sige. Guys, habang nagbuburikit tayo, drop those halo-halos at final pabaon sa dalawang bata as they thank you for tonight's love. Okay, let's go. Anak, this is your time. Go and thank them.
Stephen, ako na, ikaw na.
Ikaw muna.
Ito, syempre po, unang-una po gusto ko pong mag-thank you kay Direk Cathy. Dahil nakausap po namin kayo. Sobrang na-excite po kami sa serya namin dalawa, ni Stephanie. At syempre gusto ko rin po mag-thank you sa cleaners dahil kayo po yung nagbigay sa amin ito. Sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo. And Direk, hope to see you soon po. And hope to work you soon po. Thank you po.
Ooh. Thank you po to all of my supporters, not only mine but also Dustin's po. Thank you for the Dustin Cleaners, solid Team Stephanie po. I love you all so much. Thank you so much because without you guys, I wouldn't be here, standing here, been given blessings and opportunities to be here with Direk Cathy po. And thank you talaga for loving us for who we are. And I will, oh my God, I love you guys so much.
Eh, Direk, pwede po ba humabol pa?
Go! Go!
Gusto pong mag-thank you sa Team Dashin Official at syempre sa lahat po ng nag-gift po sa atin ngayon kay May Forever Boss, Dustpan Cleaners, Uber, Ninang Leia. Ito po, tuloy mo.
Thank you din po, Direk Cathy po, for having us here po. It's a big honor. My gosh, fan na fan po ako. Fangirl talaga. So, thank you so much and God bless you po. I hope you have a good night po.
You two, Diyos ko, kayong dalawa. But yeah, let's thank Phoebe, Pooh Bear, My Forever Boss, Dustpan Cleaners, Super Neth, Chrissy, Dustpan Official, Nad, Bianca, Jasmine, Rashida. Ayan, sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal sa dalawang batang to. I am really, sincerely appreciate both of you. I am happy to have met
Thank
you.
so much po.
And I am happy to have felt na kayo'y mababait na bata. And cleaners, tama ang inyong minamahal na mga idolo. You know, they're very authentic, sincere, and kind. And I think very good children. I'm sure the parents can attest to that. So, continue ha. Ganyan na talaga. Pag nagsisimula, mabait. Pagkatas, kukurutin ko kayo sa singit.
Ay, wala akong magbabago direct. Promise namin ni Stephanie.
Alright, let's count down. Kasi anak ako, tutuloy pa ako. Mag-stream pa ako after nito. Kayo lang kasi talagang 1 hour lang pinaalam ko. So as you go, let's go guys. Last 10 seconds to see them. Thank you, Dustin, Stephanie. Thank you so much. Star Magic, thank you.
Thank you po.
10,